Standing at a staggering 828 meters, the Burj Khalifa is not just the tallest building in the world, it's an architectural marvel. As I step into the observation deck on the 148th floor, the panoramic views of Dubai unfold like a breathtaking tapestry. You can see the sprawling desert, the shimmering coastline, and the intricate cityscape below. The elevator ride is an experience in itself, reaching speeds of 10 meters per second, making it one of the fastest in the world. Once at the top, the sheer height gives you a unique perspective on the city's rapid growth and innovation. Did you know that on a clear day, you can see up to 95 kilometers away? The observation deck features interactive displays that provide insights into the city's landmarks and history, enhancing your visit. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or simply looking to soak in the views, the Burj Khalifa Observation Deck is a must-visit. It's not just about the height, it's about experiencing the spirit of Dubai from above.